I have been receiving a lot of DMs and queries regarding the onboarding documents for Cognizant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. Many of you are confused about which documents do we need to upload, how to upload them correctly, PAN card name mismatch issue, onboarding pass not getting generated, background verification on hold. So in this video, I'm going to cover the complete onboarding document process step by step in very simple way. If you follow this video carefully, you can avoid unnecessary delays and prevent your joining date from getting postponed. The first and most ignored step in onboarding is your passport size photograph and signature upload. Many candidates delay their joining just because they upload unclear images. Please do not upload the selfies or casual pictures from your phones. These photos will be used for your employee ID and the official records. So please go to the professional photo studio, click the photo with white background, wear some formal dresses and ask for digital scan copy and check the required size mentioned in the portal. If they give only hard copy, go to the scanning center or any of the internet cafe, scan the document properly, no shadow, no blur, and save that image as JPG or PDF format as required and then upload on the portal. Along with photograph, you also need to upload your signature. So sign on white A4 sheet, use the black or blue pen only, do not scribble, keep it clean and centered, and scan that document properly at proper resolution and then upload on the document portal. Why I am saying this seriously? Because I have seen many candidates whose onboarding got delayed because their photo or signature was not clear. Multinational companies verify documents very strictly. In some cases, if documents are not verified 2 or 3 days before your joining, your onboarding pass may not be generated on time and your joining date can get rescheduled to next month. It takes only small effort and small cost to get professional scanned copies, but it can save you from 1 month delay in joining. Without professional scanning, it is still possible to upload from mobile apps like Adobe Scan, but make sure the image is clear and properly cropped. After uploading your photo and signature, the next important section is your educational documents. Please be fully prepared before you start the onboarding portal and keep these documents ready. 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, all graduation or post-graduation semester mark sheets, provisional degree certificate or degree certificate. Your 10th mark sheet is the foundation document for your identity and education verification. Keep it ready in clear scanned format. If you don't have the hard copy of the graduation mark sheet or post-graduation mark sheet, but you have the soft copy, make sure it is attested or digitally verified by your college if required. Usually original scanned copy is sufficient, but in some cases attestation is required if it is mentioned in the portal. Now this is very important. If your provisional degree certificate or original degree certificate is not available at the moment, don't panic. Companies like Cognizant, TCS, Wipro may allow affidavit submission, or we can say undertaking format provided in the portal. If the portal asks you to upload an affidavit, the format will be usually given in the portal. You just need to download that format, print it, fill all the necessary information, sign it and get it notarized. Notary is highly recommended. Self-signature sometimes accepted, but notarized affidavit is safer. For safety, it is better to get it notarized so there are no objection later on. If you are uploading affidavit instead of degree certificate or provisional degree certificate, the portal may ask you when you will be able to submit the original degree. And you need to be very realistic over here. Please don't give an unrealistic exact date. If you have completed post-graduation, you need to upload all the undergraduation mark sheet as well on the portal. Another important document you will see in the portal is letter of authorization. Now I am showing you one real example on the screen. In this case, the background verification was put on hold because of incomplete address detail. As you can see in the comment section as well, it clearly says that kindly update your complete address with door number, street name, landmark, city, area name, district name and locality name to proceed. Why address is so important? Because multinational companies can conduct physical address verification in some cases. They will check the database and they will go for police verification as well in the backend. And sometimes even missing floor number can raise the issue. So make sure you write complete address. Every field in the onboarding form is important. There is no optional information when it comes to background verification. The onboarding form is not a casual Google form, it is a legal employment record. So open your Aadhaar card, copy the full address exactly mentioned in the Aadhaar card, add your flat number, floor number, street, landmark, pin code, and double check this exact spelling that is present on your Aadhaar card. Do not fill your onboarding form in a hurry. Let's talk about one of the most important documents in your onboarding process, your PAN card. Many onboarding delays happens because of small mistakes present in the PAN card details. So please listen this carefully. Different states and boards follow different naming convention in 10th mark sheet. In some cases, your full name and your father's name will be completely expanded. And in other cases, only initials may be mentioned instead of father's full name. So this difference in format is very normal, so don't panic. Your 10th mark sheet usually contains your complete name, your father's name, either it can be full or initial only, and your date of birth. And this becomes your base identity record. Now coming to PAN card verification, companies like Cognizant, Accenture and Wipro mainly verifies your name, your father's name and your date of birth. They focus on identity consistency, not name order format. And very important rule, make sure your first name, middle name and last name are fully expanded in your PAN card. And no initials will be mentioned in your PAN card. Your father's name should also be correctly expanded. Your date of birth must match exactly with all the documents that you have shared. There should not be any spelling mistake over there. If your initials present in the mark sheet are correctly expanded into full name in your PAN card, usually there is no issue about this. Now when you should be worried, only if father's name is completely different, date of birth is completely different mentioned in the PAN card, and whatever the naming convention that you have followed, it refers to complete different identity in the PAN card, then there is an issue over here. Small spacing differences or format variations are usually manageable. Completely different identity is the real problem. And if possible, maintain the same spelling and spacing across all the documents to avoid unnecessary queries. If you still have confusion about the spacing or spelling, do one simple check. Take your father's PAN card, your father's Aadhaar card, your PAN card and your Aadhaar card and your 10th mark sheet as well. Now compare the spelling of your father's name in his Aadhaar card with the name mentioned in your documents. Check the first name, spelling, spacing, each and every parameter carefully. If everything is logically consistent, you are safe. If not, please do rectify the mistake and correct it before uploading. Don't assume things by yourself first, verify once and upload confidently. Now let's talk about the gap declaration. Sometimes the portal can ask, are there any education gaps? So if you have any education gap, please mention it honestly. Don't hide any information. Small but important, use the same email ID and mobile number that you used during the application. Sometimes mismatch creates confusion in the portal record as well. Background verification usually takes some time, so don't panic if the status is still showing that it is in progress even if you have completed all the formality. Only act whenever the query is raised against you only. Okay, so these are the final checklist. You need to upload clear photo, proper signature, all semester mark sheet. If it is original, no issues. If it is soft copy, make sure it is attested with college stamp and all. Degree certificate or provisional degree certificate. If both are not available, you need to submit the affidavit and the format will be given in the portal. The PAN card is most important and the name should match over there along with the date of birth, and your complete address is mandatory for the background verification. If you still have any doubts related to Cognizant's onboarding update or documentation, drop your queries in the comment section in a clear and detailed way. I will try to respond as quickly as possible whenever I will see your message. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring and keep applying, guys.